Did you know that 10.6% of all deaths in 2021 were associated with poor diet? Majorly with cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death associated with diet. It's high time to rethink what it means to eat healthily. Hello and welcome back to the Education Magazine. In our previous videos, we have seen how ultra-processed foods could pose a significant threat to your health, how sugary drinks can gift you an unwanted gift like dementia, and news breaking out from countries like China about contaminated cooking oil which sets your kitchen on alert. But as mentioned in our last video, this video will go straight in and tell you how you can stay cautious and take charge of what you put on your own plate. In case you have missed our previous videos, we'll put their link in the description below. So now, without any delay, let's get started. Personalized nutrition. For decades, nutrition advice has been a one-size-fits-all approach. But just as no two individuals are identical, neither are their nutritional needs. This is where personalized nutrition comes in. The idea is to tailor your diet specifically to your unique biology, lifestyle, and health goals. Imagine a diet crafted just for you, based on your DNA, gut bacteria, and even your metabolism. Emerging research is revealing the powerful impact of personalized nutrition. In a recent 2024 study, researchers demonstrated that participants in a personalized nutrition program not only lost more weight, but also showed greater improvements in cholesterol levels and overall mood compared to those following general dietary guidelines. And it's not just about genes. Dietary assessments can help identify food sensitivities, nutrient deficiencies, and imbalances that may be impacting your well-being. By understanding your unique nutritional blueprint, you can optimize your diet to support your body's specific needs. Whether you're aiming to boost energy, improve brain function, or manage a chronic condition, personalized nutrition can be a game changer. The latest findings suggest that personalized approaches can enhance adherence to dietary recommendations and improve health outcomes significantly, indicating a promising future for individualized dietary strategies. Plant-based food or protein. It's official, plants aren't just pretty, they're powerful protectors of our health. A new study followed 48,762 women for 30 years. It found that 7.6% were still considered healthy 30 years later. Those who ate plant-based protein had better health. These women were 46% more likely to age gracefully. They were also less likely to suffer from chronic diseases. That's compared to just 6% of women who favored animal protein. Healthy aging in this study meant staying sharp mentally, physically agile, and free from a long list of health woes, including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Not everyone achieved this ideal. Nearly a third remained disease-free. Half reported no memory issues, 85% faced physical limitations, 2/3 struggled with mental health. Despite these challenges, the results are clear. It's beneficial to eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Remember, we're not talking about radical diets here. Small steps count. Swap red meat for chicken or fish a few times a week, pile on the salads, and explore the world of lentils and tofu. The more colors on your plate, the better. It's a simple recipe for a healthier, happier you. Nutrient-packed food. Superfoods, a term often tossed around in wellness circles, are nutrient-packed foods that boast an outsized health benefit. While there's no strict scientific definition, these foods are typically plant-based and rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, or other beneficial compounds. Think of them as nature's multivitamins. Research suggests that incorporating superfoods into your diet can offer a range of health benefits. For instance, blueberries, packed with antioxidants, have been linked to improved brain function, while fatty fish like salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, support heart health. Other standout superfoods include spinach, kale, walnuts, chia seeds, and turmeric. But don't feel overwhelmed by the term superfood. The key is to enjoy a variety of nutrient-dense foods. A handful of mixed nuts as a snack, a spinach salad for lunch, or a turmeric latte in the morning can all contribute to your overall health. Remember, it's about making small, sustainable changes to your diet, rather than overhauling it completely. Edible oil. Often overlooked in the grand scheme of nutrition, cooking oil is a culinary cornerstone that packs a potent punch. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked higher consumption of refined vegetable oils to an increased risk of heart disease. So, what should you be reaching for? Olive oil, rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, is a perennial favorite. In fact, a recent 2024 meta-analysis found that regular consumption of olive oil is associated with a 15% reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. It's also linked to better brain health, with studies showing that it may reduce the risk of cognitive decline by 28%. Avocado oil, with its high smoke point, 520 degrees Fahrenheit or 271 degrees Celsius, is another excellent choice. For those who prefer a nuttier flavor, consider grapeseed or walnut oil. Coconut oil has been a subject of much debate. While it's high in saturated fat, it's also rich in medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs, which are metabolized differently than other fats. Some studies suggest potential benefits, such as increased energy expenditure, with one study indicating that MCTs can boost metabolism to up to 24 hours. While it's high in saturated fat, it's also rich in medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs, which are metabolized differently than other fats. Some studies suggest potential benefits, such as increased energy expenditure, while others raise concerns about its impact on heart health. The bottom line? Coconut oil can be part of a balanced diet, but it shouldn't be your sole cooking oil. Remember, these oils are best used for finishing dishes or light sautéing. When it comes to high-heat cooking, opt for oils with higher smoke points like avocado or refined coconut oil. But beware of the dark side. Oils high in unhealthy fats, like those found in many processed foods, can contribute to inflammation and chronic disease. So, while it might be tempting to grab the cheapest bottle, it's worth investing in quality oils that nourish rather than harm. Read food labels. Navigating the grocery store can feel like decoding a foreign language, thanks to the labyrinth of food labels. With a little practice, you can become a label-reading pro. Focus on these key components: calories, serving size, and nutrient content. A recent study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that consumers who regularly checked food labels had lower BMIs than those who didn't. Meal planning might sound restrictive, but it's actually a freedom-boosting tool. By mapping out your meals, you'll reduce impulsive, unhealthy choices. Start small. Plan for a few dinners each week, then gradually expand. Include a variety of foods to ensure you're getting essential nutrients. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet doesn't have to be a daunting task. Start with small swaps. Replace sugary drinks with water infused with fruit or herbs. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie. Experiment with different spices to liven up whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. By prioritizing whole foods, minimizing processed options, and being mindful of your oil choices, you're taking significant steps towards a healthier you. Research shows that even modest dietary improvements can reduce the risk of chronic disease. Let's make healthy eating a lifestyle, not a chore. Share your food journey in the comments below. What healthy swaps have you made? What challenges have you faced? Let's inspire each other to nourish our bodies and minds. Thanks for watching.